For this lesson, let's establish a common language with some key terms. I'll be using these terms throughout this course, so in order to not confuse you, I'll take you through their meanings for the food and beverage industry. If I use additional terms during the course, I'll show their meaning on screen. If you are already familiar with these terms, feel free to jump to the next lesson on purchases. Week ending. This is the date for your next closing stock take. Trading period, the duration between stock-taking dates. Trading days, the number of physical trading days within a trading period. Supplier, or listed supplier, the company where you buy products from. Products. These are the items bought to perform your business's primary function. They can be food items or non-food related items, and are also referred to as line items on a supplier invoice. Category. A way to group similar products together, like red meat or frozen vegetables. Accounts, or chart of accounts, COA. This classifies your income, food sales and overhead sales, and expenses, food cost and overhead costs. Cost of sales, or cost of goods sold, or food cost, refers to how much you have spent on food-related items. Unit refers to a canteen or restaurant. Departments. Various areas within a canteen, such as functions department or a vending department, where you want to track gross profits, or GPs. WPA, Weekly Purchases Analysis, a list of supplier invoices for a trading period. Stock sheet, a spreadsheet that tracks opening stock, purchases, closing stocks, and issues per product by quantity and price. It also shows variances of consumption to issues. Issues, or issue sheet or usage sheet, records products used in the preparation of meals per department. Closing stock, or stock takes, a physical count of inventory on the last day of the trading period. Risk report, your unit's financial performance report, similar to a profit and loss report, but not finalized by your financial manager. Menu cycle, an agreement with the client in the contract specifying which menu products can be repeated in a given period. Now that we have gone through some of the basic terms, let's move on to the next lesson on purchases. Feel free to go through this glossary of terms as many times as you want, or come back to it if something in the later lessons are not clear to you.